So, hello, my lovely viewers, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I am Bernali here with another exciting episode of Bernali's Creation. So, in this episode, we are going to create a fabulous lightweighted lehenga set and which suits for every daytime function. So, let's get explore the artistry and elegance of behind every step. For that, I'm using a very beautiful net with leaf pattern for blouse, pastel blue organza for lehenga and sky blue lining. Few of my patterns and my equipments. Then I'll chop all the parts of my blouse by tracing the patterns over it. Now let's get assemble both the sides and stitch all together. After that, I'll use another layer of lining to secure the padded cup inside it. Then I'll check the front and back of the blouse on my dress form. Then I'll make the zigzag pattern using the matching dory. Now time to add the sleeves. Here I'm making puffy sleeves along with using the elastic on the bottom, on its lower part. So now my blouse is all done. As you can see, it turns very beautifully. So let's get back to the lehenga making process. So here I'm making a kalidar lehenga. For that I'm using 3.5 meters of plain organza. For making kalis, an extra 1 meter more organza I'm using to add ruffles on its bottom. Here I'm using this 3 meters of blue fabric for attaching the lining to the lehenga. For that I'm cutting into a A-line format. Now let me attach the organza skirt along with the lining skirt and also adding the belt on its waistline. Now I'm adding the zip on its one side and completing it by stitching bottom line using the horsehair. Hair is all done. Now let me check by putting on my dress form. I found it's amazing. I'm satisfied with my work and the final result it turned out. Well, I hope you all have learned something from this video. If yes, then do let me know in the comment below. And I am grateful to sharing my knowledge with you all. Thank you for your beautiful comments and your support. Keep supporting me. Share this video with your friends and family. And I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye and love you all.